Dear students, let's talk about the last lesson by Alphonse Daudet. Alphonse Daudet is a French novelist and short story writer. He talks about the importance of mother tongue, which is the identity of a person. Actually, a war has broken between France and Prussians in 1870, in which Prussians defeated France, and the two famous districts of Alsace and Lorraine fell in the hands of Prussians, which are now part of Germany. And the government issued an order that henceforth only German will be taught in the districts of Alsace and Lorraine, and there was a blanket ban on the teaching of French language in these districts. Now, a student from a school whose name is French narrates the whole event in this very last lesson. He was already late for the school, and the lecture by a teacher, Mr. Monsieur, Monsieur means Mr. Hamel, had started in the class. He informed everybody present there that the order has come from Berlin that henceforth only German will be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. So he is giving the last lecture on French language or in French language. It is in this very respect that the elders of the society of that very area had come into the class to attend the last lecture of M. Hamel. And also, Mr. Hamel had served the school for 40 long years. As such, the elderly persons as well as the students were attending the class very patiently. M. Hamel had given a home task to the students about participles. Now, Franz was asked to stand up, but he couldn't speak even one word or a few words on the topic. At this very moment, M. Hamel gave a very emotional lecture before all the students and the elderly persons who were present in the class. He told them that everybody is responsible for not paying attention towards their mother tongue. The society as well as the students. He himself as well as the parents are equally responsible. We have been delaying the teaching of mother tongue, and it is learning with one excuse or the other. And now we have reached to this very point where we won't be able to learn anything about our own mother tongue. Now, at last, M. Hamel gave a lecture on grammar. Everybody present in the class understood it easily because of their concentration, because of their patience. There was perfect silence in the class. Only the passing of beetles was felt, but nobody got disturbed. Then there was cooing of pigeons who had sat on the roof. Franz thought to himself, will the Germans ask the pigeons to sing only in German? This is a very pathetic statement, really. At 12, the clock makes the sound, strikes 12, and with that, the teacher M. Hamel dismisses the class. But before that, he writes on the board with bold letters, Vive la France, which means long live France. Thanks. Have a nice day.